Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jolly, and for today we are going to unbox this cute Paperang pocket printer. So they sent me this package together with some printer paper, and also a sticker type of paper. And from what I know, this is like a thermal printer. This is their P2 pocket printer because they have a P1. So the P2 model is the latest version, and I think it prints in 300 dpi, so it's supposed to be clearer. And so this works for Android and iOS. So I will try to read the manual, but let's just try to unbox it right now. I've never tried this before. So they have a manual here, and this one was sent to me via DHL, so I got it right away. So this is a micro USB type, and then this is the unit. Oh, it's so cute, and it's actually so small. It's smaller than what I thought, and looks cute. So I think I have to peel this one off, but let me just go ahead and read the instruction first. Okay, so I've turned this on, and I've also paired it via the Bluetooth. Now let's just try to print a template. This is in their app. So I'm so sorry, I'm still trying to figure it out. I think we should press print. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's working. It's so cute. So this, again, it is thermal paper, so it will eventually fade, but I guess for like simple notes, you can print it out like this. And then I think we should tear this off, okay, so that was not a clean tear, but it's so cute. It's really nice. And I also bought this sticker paper. Let's just try to turn this one off first. Okay. And I wanted to show you how you can change the paper inside. Okay. I think that you should just push this front part like that, then it should open. It's my first time to try it, so I just read the manual. So let me just check. Oh, so it looks like this, and I'm not sure if we can open this fully. Okay, so I guess it's just as easy as taking out the roll like that. So it's really interesting, and then you can put it back like this. Just press it upward, and then it's good to go. So let's try to turn it on again. Okay, and I know that you can print the QR code for this device, because you can connect this via Bluetooth or the QR code according to the manual. Let's try. It says here that you have to double click the power key. Let's try it. Ooh. So you can just take a photo of this so that your device will connect. so cool. So I have to figure out how I can tear it in a clean way, but it's just super interesting, and kind of want to check out if there are other things that I can print. So let me just check it. Alright, so this only prints in black and white, and I have a colored photo here because you can also print photos. You can also print straight from, I think, from a website, then print it straight right here. Let's try this. So you can adjust the brightness and contrast, but I just want to print this directly. Let's try to scan. It says here scan. Okay. It's trying to connect again. So let's try to print this. So this is real time. So it's 6.48 cm. Let's just see. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. But I guess you can adjust the, like, how black the colors should be. I think I saw that setting a while ago, but I think maybe with this, I'm so sorry for the background noise, but maybe for photos you can't adjust like the darkness of this, or maybe that's a contrast, so I'm not really sure yet. But I just wanted to show you, like, if you can print colored photos into black and white. So it will look like this. I wanted to let you guys see it up close, so it's not really as sharp, but it's okay. It's still nice though. So I guess that's it. I just really wanted to show you how this works. I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, and I think this is an interesting product. This is not a sponsored post, but they did send this for free, and it's nice to print some lists like this. I think it's just so cute. The only con for me would be that it's, of course, it's thermal paper, so it will eventually fade. But if you just want to use this for your journaling, or if you need some notes and you want it printed, I think this is a good device, and you can just check out their website. And I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll see you in my next video. Bye!